Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farms. Alright, we're done with our shed project. It's a board and batten. Got our windows in. Turned out really good. Got the live edge up above in the eave. Slider door. And she wanted to go ahead and put board and batten on this one side over here too. So kind of close it in from the road. But we put the clear tin on the inside, so it's like skylight. I think it turned out real good. Lets a lot of light in. But that's what we've done. But this one's done, so we'll mark that one down done and over with. On to the next one.